When Judas fell, the apostles needed a replacement. Matthias was chosen by prayer and casting lots, and he faithfully carried the mission forward. Matthias was not one of the original 12 but was chosen to restore their number after Judas's betrayal and death. He had witnessed Jesus' entire ministry, from his baptism to his resurrection and ascension, making him a true eyewitness of the gospel. Tradition holds that Matthias preached in Cappadocia and the region around the Caspian Sea. Historical accounts suggest he was martyred for proclaiming Christ. Some sources say he was stoned and then beheaded in Jerusalem. Though he's not as widely known as the other apostles, Matthias remained faithful to the very end, ensuring the message of Jesus continued to spread. Matthias reminds us that God can use anyone called by him, and faithfulness can leave an eternal impact, no matter how humble the beginning. Share this if you'll remain faithful to Jesus no matter your role, and follow the Beatz breaker for more inspiring stories of the apostles.